Hi, it's Mary from Reviewer's Diary. This is the second time that I'm recording this video. Most YouTubers who have any amount of content you'll find are pre-recording a lot of videos because you just, given life and work, most people don't have the time to sit down and tape videos every day. I tend to record mine on the weekends when I'm off work so that there's no distraction from my work life. I did have quite a bit of static on the line when I did this unboxing the first time, so the surprise is kind of not there for me, but I will try to make this interesting for you guys. So, I don't regularly subscribe to the beauty test tube. In fact, I only subscribed for this June-July box. Because I saw the Good Genes glycolic acid treatment. I don't know why they called it Good Genes, because it confuses a lot of people into thinking it's the lactic acid, and it's not. It's actually glycolic acid. And glycolic acid, apparently from what I read and from what I see on dermatologist blogs, actually can penetrate the skin a little bit more than the lactic acid. I've used glycolic acid products before, but and I'll have to start with this sparingly. And sometimes I have a little bit of tingling and a slight bit of discomfort, but not a whole lot. So this will become a treatment that I'm going to be doing at night. And they didn't just give a bottle, they gave the giant bottle. Let me see if I can get this open. Ooh. Yeah, the giant size. Yeah, I put it back in here just because I feel like it's safer in there. The giant size is the $120 one, and this is how many ounces? 1.7 fluid ounces. For a treatment or serum, that is a lot. So yeah, I'm a little nervous about starting this, but I think that I will just start out very slow. And I don't see very much on the internet about this other than some paid presentations about it. So if you've used this and you could give me some idea down in the comments how it's been for you, I would appreciate it. This is one of those products that I will do a review on because there's not a lot of representation out there on the internet. Especially, I usually check YouTube videos for everything. Yeah, I do that. A lot of people do. Because I want to see honesty. I want to see what, how this stuff is. Now, this is not a paid sponsorship. And I won't be lying. If it sucks, I'm going to tell you that it sucks. If it causes tremendous irritation, I'm going to tell you that it does. But my hope is that it will not cause any problems at all. So I'm kind of excited to use this. This is massive. 1.7 fluid ounces should last a long time. So anyway, if you've tried this, let me know down in the comments. That, by the way, according to booklet, that is $122. So, okay, so I always like these boxes because I just think it's so cool that it's actually round. I don't know why no one else thinks about this. So there is a bunch of stuff in here, and some of it's full size. Actually, most of it is. That's one thing I don't know. Beauty test tube is expensive to start with, and then when you add the shipping cost, it becomes prohibitive. Alright, so the first thing is this 10 free nail polish. It is, let's see, non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free, 10 free chemistry. And it is, I know, I can't see it on this box, but I know that it's a top coat, base coat kind of a product. Yeah, so I'm very interested in trying a cruelty-free nail polish. Okay, next thing is one of my favorite things, and it is the Chlorine Dry Shampoo. The issue here with the chlorine is it's not cruelty free. This is a full size. It is actually 3.2 ounces in this can. I think you maybe can get a bigger can, but I've never seen one bigger. The little booklet says that this this dry shampoo actually sells for $20. Now that's not a horrible price, but it's also not cruelty free, so I won't be buying it again. Okay, next thing is a product from a brand that I really like. I'm just going to find it in here. And it is, I love this brand. I absolutely love it. Sleeping Money certified, and it is the Neuma. And it is Renew Scalp Therapy. And it's like an exfoliating wash for your scalp. I don't really, aside from having a dry scalp, I don't have a lot of scalp problems. So I'm not sure that I would use this. If any of you have tried this, please let me know what your thoughts are. I have, my hair is kind of dry. Like I only wash it twice a week. So, you know, I wear a shower cap the other showers. So I don't know that I really would be using this. But my husband and my son could try it. This is $26 retail. So yeah, it's called Gommage du something something in French. But anyway, it is scalp therapy. So it's like an exfoliating wash for your scalp. Anybody out there using that, let me know how it is. Okay, now this is a good thing. This I got very excited about, and this is from Grande. Now, I'm going to ignore the word plumping liquid highlighter. I'm also not going to open the tube, but I will show it to you. It's very dark, so I don't know what to do. You know, it's like I feel like I should try it because it's a brand I like that's cruelty-free. There we go. I had trouble getting that out. If I knew for sure that I could use this on my eyes, I would. But it's plumping liquid highlighter. Now, I think that's just advertising words. That, you know, because who would want to put something on their cheeks that's going to make them blow up? Seriously, no one. So, you know, I have to find out a little bit more information about this stuff. If I can use it on my eyes, then I would use it on my eyes for sure. And this is a full size. And according to the book, here it is. It is $25 retail. So far, this box is worth way, like, the good jeans already, like, paid for this box, but the other stuff is awesome, too. Okay, this I know is a cologne. I sprayed it on my arm earlier when I did the video, and it smells very nice. Anyway, this is Vetiver is the, let's see, it's in the book here. Here it is. It's by Commodity EDP. It's 10 milliliters, which is a good size, I believe. This amount sells for $26. And it does, you know, the picture is a little bit different from what it actually looks like, but this is a really good size cologne, and it does smell really good. I just smelled my arm again. It does smell really good, so yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, there are two more things in here. One is a sample, and the other is full size. This is Luminous Cream Lipstick, which makes me think maybe it's not matte. The whole matte explosion, I don't like matte because it turns into cracked butt lips on your lips, and nobody thinks that's attractive. So anyway, this is a really cool container. It's got a little mirror on the bottom that I'll never use, but I did look at this, and initially I thought it was not a good color for me, but it's kind of a brick red, and so I think I am going to keep this and use it because it is the kind of red that I do wear. Yeah, and it's seriously, it's like a seriously cool thing there. By the way, it's 4th of July, so you're going to hear a lot of fireworks in the background because they're going right now. Yeah, fireworks just became legal in the state of New Jersey recently. The last thing is a sample, and it is 3 packets of collagen and vitamin C. Now, they are in the sweet tart orange flavor. I don't believe for a second that swallowing collagen is really going to help your skin. Please let me know if you think differently or if you've tried this and you notice any kind of difference. Let's see what this runs for. According to the box, it is, let's see, $3 each for each packet. But I believe that it's it's a supplement dietary pack. It says two are $3, but the pack is labeled as having 3 servings in it. So I believe it's $3 for 3 packs in one package. You can see in the picture there's more than one package. So it's citrus flavored, and I'll definitely try it. I'm definitely for taking vitamin C because it, has been implicated to possibly help with infections and all. Not proven, by the way. But I read quite a compelling story by Norman Cousins, and I think it was called Diary of a Patient, and he started taking high doses of vitamin C, and he had a chronic disease that was going to kill him, and it went away. So I don't know how much of that is placebo effect and how much of it was really the vitamin C. Anyway, it can't hurt. So has anybody tried this? Let me know in the comments below. So there is just so much good stuff here. I joined for 1 month because I saw Good Genes, and I saw that it was the full size. I got really excited when I saw the Good Genes because I cannot afford to buy it myself. And the other stuff, none of it's like ridiculously expensive. So I could buy that stuff myself, but I can't buy this. And so I thought, wow, what a great way to get Good Genes. This was June, July box. It's every other month, I believe. And I'll put the cost down here again, like I said. Yeah, it's just amazing the amount of stuff, and then it's all, most of it is full size. So anyway, you won't see another beauty test tube from me. I can restart my subscription if I see something that I really want, so I'll just keep an eye on them and re-up if something like this shows up again, but probably not. I have so much stuff. I have so much stuff. So anyway, this I didn't have, and I don't have a glycolic acid except for in a toner that I have. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and thank you, and don't be a stranger. Good night.